7 materials. Mainly we have in the 7 materials, let's close everything else and just open the substructure. Let's go one by one. Excavation, there is no material for the excavation, but the backfilling we have the material, the backfilling material. So we'll copy this one and I will add activity here, call it backfilling. What else we have? For BC, for the concrete, we have the concrete mix design. So I will add a new one. Concrete mix. There is no material. We are not providing or submitting the concrete itself, but just we submitting the concrete mix for plain concrete and reinforced concrete. We have here steel work is usually reinforced steel is usually standard steel, so we're using just approved one. I don't think we should add it. We have the waterproofing. This waterproofing material should be submitted and approved. Then we finish the substructure. In the superstructure, it is all concrete, so we don't have any materials. Rough finishes, of course, we have the masonry. This block work, different sizes and so on. So we'll add a new one. I can put the name here, masonry, and finish. Plaster. The plaster we are adding, we are submitting the plaster mix design as well. Plaster mix and accessories. Ceramic tiles, of course. And if you notice that the material doesn't matter the floor, so we don't care about the floor. Only one material applicable for all floors, but the same material could contain different sizes and different shapes and so on. So we finished here the rough finishes. Let's go to final finishes. Of course, we have paint. Add a new activity. Paint. Finish. And we have metals. All the materials should be submitted and approved by the consultant and the client. Door and windows. And we finished the final finishes. I will stop up to here and let you continue the remaining materials. I'll just start now, tell you how to find the dates of these materials. Actually, myself, I have some technique in these materials, and I prefer to make it backward and then give it to the procurement department to confirm the dates. So in order to do it in backward, let's first just move from ceramic tiles and doors, just cut them and paste them under the finishes material. And let's give 10 days for all the duration. The submetal, and we'll keep the same duration for the approvals. As I told you earlier, this duration should be confirmed by your technical department and according to your contract. In this case, you should confirm it from the procurement department. So I'll paste them here. Now this is very important. I'm just copying all the materials, pasting them in the proper place. Now it is very important to know the procurement or fabrication duration required for each material. This is very, very important and could impact your dates, because if you have any long lead materials. So now, for now, I will assume some dates, and in reality I'm assuming these dates as well. Then I'm giving to the procurement department to confirm, or if I have already the information, I'm putting them directly here.